Hey guys, welcome to another video. This being my first video of the year, I wanted to take the time to wish you guys all the best for this year. May you receive everything that God has in store for you and your family, and focus to be the best version of yourself this year. So that being said, today we are working on the PurpleBeast Evo7. We're installing a Walbro fuel pump, a 450. So if you're looking into installing a Walbro 450 fuel pump into your Evo, this might be the video for you. So guys, let's go. Alright guys, this is Jarvis, the owner of the PurpleBeast, and he's going to show us what we're doing today.
Hey guys, like my brother said, I'm Jarvis Garcia. This is the Walbro 450 LPH that we are going to install today. We have the installing kit, so wish us luck. Hey guys, the first thing that we have to do right now is to remove the rear seat. And to remove the rear seat, we have two clips that we have to pull out. The first one is here. You just pull this tab and it goes up. Now on this side is the same thing. And yeah,
there you have it. That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Alright guys, so the next step is to unbolt these 4 screws, and then the plate will go up, and underneath we're going to find the fuel pump, the stock one.
Yes, after we remove this plate, we should gain access to the fuel pump assembly. As you can see, this is our fuel pump assembly. In order to remove it, we have to remove these hoses, these are return and feed lines, and then we have to remove those 8mm bolts, and then we should have it completely out. Jarvis is now removing the fuel pump assembly, and yeah. Okay guys, as you can see, the assembly is ready to come out. It's a bit like a fight for it to come out, so just don't give up and it will come out.
Alright,
yeah, you did it.
Yeah. Faster than I thought.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Alright guys, as you can see, this is the fuel pump assembly. Right now we are going to disassemble it so we can install the new Walbro. First of all, you have to remove these tabs, pull it out, and then it should come out like this. There you go. Make sure not to lose this grommet like right here. Kita pegar lang bit. So, I'm going to pull the fuel pump out right now. There you have it guys. Just unplug it. And this is the stock fuel pump. There's a comparison side to side so you can see the difference. The Walbro is wider on the bottom. That's why we need to modify the assembly so we can install this one. What we need to modify of the new fuel pump is this tab right here. As you can see, it's longer, so we have to cut. Camera has to focus. We have to cut the first tab here. So my father is going to do that. So guys, there you have it, all cut up. And this is what you need to do if you want to install this fuel pump into an Evo This is my father right there. Yeah. So let's continue with the other process. So the next modification that needs to be done is this right here. We have to cut this much of this piece right here, so the fuel pump can sit where it needs to be seated. So my father is once again going to do the cut for us. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
There we go.
So right now we're going to solder the wires. The trick, for me, the trick when you solder the wires is to let the wire get hot. Some people does things like this and it's not right. You should let the wire get hot, and then when it gets at the right temperature, it should melt. Just like this, you see? And then you are sure, you can be sure that you have a good solder connection that will penetrate the wires. There you go, that's done. So there you have it, guys, all soldered up. We use some heat shrink tubing. So right now we are ready to put everything back together. So we'll see you when we have everything back together. Let's go. So guys, when I had everything, we noticed that I soldered the wrong end of the plug. So we went ahead and addressed that, and we have now everything together. Everything is now assembled. As for this, as for this part, we will no longer use it. My father went ahead and fabricated like two pins to hold the fuel pump in place. It won't go anywhere. So this is the completed assembly, and now we are ready to put it back into the car. Are you ready, Jarvis?
Yes, I am.
Let's go. Okay guys, so now it's ready to go in. As you can see, we have everything back in the car. Everything is installed. Now it's time to test to see if we did a good job. Let's go. Okay guys, let's see if we did a good job. Jarvis, you ready?
Yeah, let's hope, man.
Start it. Yeah!
Right.
We did it, we did it. Yes, the fuel pressure. Alright guys, so what we have to do now is just put the seat back together, and we'll do it like this.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, as you just saw, we made it. We did an awesome job on the Evo. I hope this video was some kind of help for those who are looking forward on installing these kind of fuel pumps into their Evos. So that being said, for this year I have huge plans, guys. There's going to be more videos, more awesome projects. So make sure you are up to date. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you can be up to date and notified when a new video is uploaded. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook. You guys take care. As I said on the beginning of the video, I wish you all the best for 2020, and you guys take care. Keep it sideways, baby. Let's go.